The parking lot is flooded. This is on 13 Mile Road and Mile. Still doing something somewhere, but this parking lot is really and truly flooded. I don't know, Social Cam. Oh, some people got on some boots. Well, all right, Social Cam. Later.